Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to ride a motorcycle. So first of all, we're gonna start with the left side. So here we have the clutch right here, the hazard lights. Some of the bikes have it, some of them don't. And here we have the horn and the signal lights. And then right here we have the shifter. So middle is neutral, down is first gear, then up is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, so that's it right here. Let's go to the other side. Front brakes, here's the gas, and here's the back brake. So we're gonna go ahead and turn on the bike real quick. Oh, there it is. So for me, to hop on the bike, I'll do it where the kickstand is at, because it's gonna be much easier for me. But you can do it any way you want. So we hop on the bike, you know, take off the kickstand. So first of all, what we're gonna be doing is pressing the clutch, dropping it to first gear. We're just gonna cruise in first gear first. So 1, and then right here is gonna show first gear. And then so the first thing we're gonna be doing is letting the clutch go slowly until you feel like the bike is moving. And then you could give it a little bit of gas. Once that happens, pick up your legs, and you can just take it slowly for now. Just get in the rhythm. Then if you want to stop, you press the clutch and you press the front brake and you stop. Then to go again, you let it go, the clutch slowly, and then give it a little bit of gas. So we're gonna stop one more time. Clutch and brake. We're gonna go at it one more time. Let the clutch go slowly, give it a little bit of gas. There we go. Okay, so now to shift to second gear, we're just gonna press the clutch, press the shift up, and let the clutch go slowly and give it a little bit of gas. Here we are in second gear now. We're gonna downshift, press the clutch, downshift, let the clutch go slowly, and there you go. So we're gonna put it on neutral to stop, and then turn off the bike.
Just they don't want anybody on the property, okay? So just whenever you're done, just make sure.
Yeah, okay, well, thank you. So one more time. First gear, let the clutch go slowly. Let's go. Clutch, second gear, go. So what happened right now, if you didn't hear, the cop I'm just in a scoop parking spot, so they don't want nobody in the property. So he told me I only have a few minutes so I can go. So I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. I'll catch you on the next video, and click the like and subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next